Hi, I'm Carl from Apt, and in this video we're going to be talking about the new Cinema 600 soundbar from Klipsch. It's brand new, it replaces the Bar 48, and we'll talk about some of the features of it and why it might be a good fit for your home theater system. But first things first, we have to open up the box and show you what's inside. So here's all of our accessories that come in the box. We've got power cords for the subwoofer and the soundbar itself. It also comes with an HDMI cable, an instruction manual, a remote, and the buttons actually light up on the remote. It also comes with batteries, which we've already installed in the remote control. There's a couple of cork pads with some adhesive on the back, a wall mount, and then a template for hanging the soundbar on the wall. So the Cinema 600 is the replacement for the Bar 48 from the last couple of years. And it does have some upgrades. First off, it's 600 watts, so it does get a bump in power. You get a 10-inch subwoofer now instead of the 8-inch that you got with the Bar 48. But looks-wise, it looks pretty similar. You still have the same kind of design on the soundbar itself, but it's only 45 inches wide instead of 48 inches wide. So it is a little more compact. It's really designed to fit under a 50-inch TV or higher. It might look a little bit too big if you put it on a smaller TV. As far as inputs go, this one gives you an HDMI with an audio return channel. You've got a subwoofer output if you wanted to hook up a second sub if this one isn't powerful enough, although this one is very powerful. You have an analog input as well, and then you also have an optical input. So there's several ways you can hook this up. It's sort of designed to work with any type of TV that has an audio output on it. There's also Bluetooth built in, so you do have an additional wireless way to hook everything up. And also, as far as wireless goes, subwoofer is wireless as well, so all you need to do is plug it into a power source to use it along with the soundbar. Then you also have on the side here, on the left-hand side by all of the onboard controls, the plate. You can actually remove that, and it's got a USB input, which is really just for updating the software, but then you also have a spot where you can add a dongle, and that allows you to add 2 more speakers to the system to actually create a 5.1 channel system. So you can use this as part of a full surround setup, because this speaker is 3.1 channels all by itself. So you do have a dedicated center channel, which is great for dialogue, and then you have a left and right channel as well built into here. Now on the remote, it has backlit keys, which is really nice. And on the remote, you have all of your options. You can change it from analog to digital. You've got a surround mode, a night mode for kind of quieting down the really loud sounds and sort of bumping the quieter sounds. And then there's a dialogue button too. This is a 3.1 channel system, so you do have a dedicated center channel here. The dialogue mode is actually going to enhance the dialogue that you hear. So if you are listening to something at night, or if you are listening to something that requires you to kind of focus on what people are saying, that's a great feature to be able to take advantage of. So there's some great stuff built into the Cinema 600 soundbar here. Make sure you check it out at apt.com. If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our experts either by email, by phone, or talk to them right here in the store. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.